In this first practice action, we're going to focus on the C blues scale and the C minor pentatonic scale. Let's start with the C blues scale. So again, the notes are C with a thumb, E flat second finger, F middle finger, F sharp fourth finger, cross underneath, thumb on the G, second finger on B flat, middle finger on C. Okay, coming down, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just try playing it along with me. Good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put on the iReal Pro track and we're going to play it along with the band, all right? And then we're going to focus on playing it in eighth notes, then we're going to move to triplets. This is what it sounds like. Eighth notes first. Now just go up and down. Okay, so that's playing it in eighth notes. This is what it sounds like in triplets. Here we go. Triplet, triplet, triplet. Okay, so I don't think that you'll need me to play through all of that with you. I think you could go ahead and do that with the backing track on your own. Remember, go back to the Jazzedge Academy site. You'll be able to download that backing track. Even if you don't have iReal Pro, there is an audio file as well, so you could download that. All right, so that's the C blues scale. You want to get very comfortable with that. Now, here's the thing about the fingering with that. You're probably going to end up changing it when you're in the heat of the moment and improvising, so don't get too locked into that fingering. If you want to know 2 octaves, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then cross underneath 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Another fingering you might consider is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cross underneath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that gives you a block of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I kind of like this because right, you can kind of get some cool sounds moving in between those 2 blocks. All right, so anyway, let's move on now to the C minor pentatonic scale. So that's 1, 2, 3, cross underneath, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try the triplets. Remember, triplet, triplet. All right, great. Now, if you want a really good challenge, go from the blues scale in eighth notes, move into triplets, move into the minor pentatonic in eighth notes, and then move into triplets, and then kind of move in between all of them. So I would just say the name of the scale I'm doing. Start with the blues scale. Eighth notes. Now triplets. Minor pentatonic. See, I can come down as well. Then triplets. All right, so let's talk about what I'm doing there. So I started by going up the blues scale, and I did that in eighth notes, right? And then I moved into triplets. But then what I was saying is when I was coming down, I went up the blues scale, but then decided to come down the minor pentatonic scale. The point is this: you want to be very comfortable moving in between each of those different scales in both eighth notes and in triplets, right? So that's the ultimate goal of this practice action. So let's put on. So you see, moving in between the blues scale, the minor pentatonic scale, in eighth notes, in triplets. Get that down, feel really comfortable with that. I'll see you in the next practice action.